Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to just set the mood for some meditation, just create a grounding environment, calming environment, I have just the essential oil for you. This is Sacred Frankincense from Young Living, and it's such a powerful oil. I love the way that it smells. It smells just relaxing, really. It smells like a forest. And one way that I love to use it is just go ahead and apply a drop or two on here and rub it behind my neck and in my hair. Just when I put it in my hair kind of acts as a natural diffuser, which I really like, because then you can have the benefits of smelling the aroma throughout the day, which is really nice. And you can also use this for skin support. Frankincense is so great for skin. It has great anti-aging properties. It's really good for your fine lines and wrinkles, things like that. It also has a ton of other great benefits that I highly recommend that you investigate on your own. But overall, this is just a great oil to have for just very grounding vibes. So if you're in the market for something like that, I highly recommend Sacred Frankincense from Young Living, and that's my point of view.